Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Suchita Pradeep Khot, lecturer from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Rasiklalem Dhariwal College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to study in this video about the water soluble vitamins. Learning objective. After watching this video, students will able to define and classify vitamins. They will be able to elaborate water soluble vitamins and their biochemistry and will be explain coenzymes. Definition of vitamins. Vitamins are a group of organic nutrients required in small quantities for different biochemical functions and which generally cannot be synthesized in the body and must therefore be supplied through diet. They are also called as growth factors. This is the classification of vitamins. Basically, it is classified into two: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. About fat soluble vitamins, we have seen in the first part of vitamin video. Now, in this particular video, we are going to study about in detail about water soluble vitamins. These water soluble vitamins are again classified into two: non-B complex and B complex. Non-B complex, vitamin C; B complex, or vitamin B. Let's study about water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins dissolve in water and are not stored by the body. Since they are eliminated in urine, we require a continuous daily supply in our diet. The water soluble vitamins include the vitamin B complex group, that is thiamine, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, and pantothenic acid and vitamin C. Water soluble vitamins are easily destroyed or washed out during food storage or preparation. Proper storage and preparation of food can minimize vitamin loss. To reduce vitamin loss, always refrigerate fresh produce, keep milk and grains away from strong light, and use cooking water from vegetables to prepare soups. Let's study about first vitamin, that is thiamine, vitamin B1. Sources: they are found in wide variety of foods including meat, grains, some wheat germs, yeast, cereals, pulses, nuts, oilseeds, vegetables and fruits. Absorption: it is absorbed from small intestine and excreted through urine. Properties: they are soluble in water and alcohol, resistant to heat, boiling or autoclaving and acid, resistant to oxidation by atmospheric oxygen, and it shows strong fluorescence to UV light. Daily requirement for adult male, it is 1.2 to 1.5 milligram. For female, it is 1 to 1.1 milligram. For pregnant and lactating woman, it is 1.3 to 1.5 milligram. For children, it is 0.7 to 1.2 milligram. And for infants, it's 0.3 to 0.5 milligram. Functions of thiamine: it is essential for growth. It is essential for maintaining the nerves in normal condition. The coenzyme TPP is involved in oxidative decarboxylation in carbohydrate metabolism. It is therefore referred as a co-carboxylase. The coenzyme TPP is also involved in HMP shunt. Chemistry of thiamine: chemically, it consists of a pyrimidine and thiazole ring system joined together by methylene bridge. This is the structure of thiamine. Deficiency manifestation: the deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi and neurological manifestation. Beriberi the symptoms of beriberi are anoxia, anorexia, and dyspepsia associated with heaviness and weakness of legs, pins and needles on pressure, and pain and numbness in the legs, knee jerks and usually sluggish, feeling of weakness and easy exhaustion, while walking. The beriberi is of two types, wet beriberi and dry beriberi. In case of dry beriberi, symptoms are weak and wasted muscles, difficulty in walking, required stick to stand and walk, finally bedridden. And in case of wet beriberi, symptoms are oedema, palpitation and breathlessness, fast pulse, weak heart. The disease beriberi can be prevented by administering thiamine intramuscularly. Second, vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Sources are anaerobic fermenting bacteria are the richest source of vitamin B2. Other good sources include milk, liver, kidney, fish, heart and cereals, roots, germination wheat, etc. Absorption, it is absorbed from small intestine and excreted through urine. Properties, it is water soluble, stable to heat and sensitive to light, emits a strong greenish yellow fluorescence on exposure to UV light. In living organism, riboflavin is converted into FMN and FAD by an enzyme flavokinase, both of which combine with protein to form the flavoproteins, which in turn act as an important hydrogen carrier in biological oxidation system. Daily requirements, in case of adult male, it is 1.5 to 1.8 milligram. For adult female, it is 1.1 to 1.4 milligram. For pregnant and lactating woman, it is 1.4 to 1.9 milligram. For children, it is 0.8 to 1.2 milligram. And for infants, it's 0.4 to 0.6 milligram. Functions are, it involves in the regulatory function of some hormones connected with carbohydrate metabolism. The free riboflavin present in the retina is converted by light to a compound involved in stimulation of the optic nerve. It involves in the electron transport system in the mitochondria. It involves in intermediary metabolism as an enzyme called flavoproteins. It is also the prosthetic group of acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase, which is involved in the oxidation of fatty acids. Chemistry of riboflavin. It is an orange-yellow compound containing D-ribitol, a ribose alcohol and heterocyclic substance isoalloxazone, that is flavin. This is the structure of riboflavin. Deficiency manifestation. Lesions of the lips, fissures at the angles of mouth, dermatitis of the face, magenta tongue, functional and organic disorder of the eye. Next vitamin is vitamin B3, that is niacin. Sources are yeast, polishing rice, meat, liver and poultry, milk, eggs, tomatoes, leafy green vegetables, etc. The amino acid tryptophan present in the dietary protein is converted into niacin in the body. 60 mg of tryptophan produces 1 mg of niacin. Absorption. It is absorbed from the intestine through the portal vein into the general circulation. Daily requirements. In case of adult male, it is 16 to 20 mg. In case of adult female, it is 12 to 16 mg. For pregnant woman, it is 14 to 18 mg. For lactating woman, it is 16 to 20 mg. In the children, it is 9 to 16 mg. And for infants, it is 5 to 8 mg. Physiological functions. It is essential for the normal functioning of the skin, intestinal tract and the nervous system. It is used therapeutically in atherosclerosis for lowering increased plasma level of cholesterol. The coenzymes of niacinamide, that is NAD and NADP, play an important role in metabolism by acting as a hydrogen and electron transport events by means of reversible oxidation and reduction. Chemistry of niacin. Niacin is a pyrimidine 3-carboxylic acid and occurs principally as the amide, that is nicotinamide, niacinamide or pyridine 3-carboxylic acid amide, which is physiologically active compound. This is the structure of niacin. Deficiency manifestation. The deficiency of niacin causes a disease called pellagra. It is also due to acute and chronic infections. Characteristics are dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Symptoms: bright red erythema resembling sunburn. The dermatitis occurs usually on back of the finger and hands, forearms, dorsum of the feet and ankles and neck. Skin becomes red and slightly swollen. In most cases, nausea and vomiting are found. Diarrhea ranges from few to several loose stool per day with blood and mucosa. In chronic cases, dementia occurs, which is characterized by irritability, changes in disposition, depression, inability to concentrate, poor memory, ataxia, etc. Pellagra can be prevented by giving niacinamide in dose of 15 to 25 mg orally. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. Sources: the richest source are yeast, liver, kidney, egg, peas, wheat, honey, milk, beef, pork, chicken, sweet potatoes, etc. Absorption: it is readily absorbed from small intestine. Properties are: it is yellow, viscous oily material which is water soluble one. It consists in the tissue in the active form as a coenzyme which contains pantothenic acid, beta mercaptoethylamine, adenine, ribose, and phosphoric acid. Daily requirements: in adult it is 5 to 10 mg. For pregnant and lactating women it is 10 to 15 mg. In case of children it is 1 to 2 mg, and in case of infants it is 1 to 2 mg. Physiological functions are: it is essential for the growth of infants and children. As it is a component of coenzyme, it has a key role in metabolic processes where its main function is the transfer of acyl group, that is acetyl, butyryl, succinyl, etc. in both the catalytic and biosynthetic reactions. It plays an important role in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. Chemistry of vitamin B5: it consists of an beta-alanine and pantothenic acid joined through dipeptide bond. Chemically, it is alpha gamma dihydroxy beta dimethylbutyric acid with beta-alanine. This is the structure of vitamin B5. Deficiency manifestation: inadequate growth, gastrointestinal disorder, nausea, vomiting, irritability, failure in gaining weight, graying of hair, and loss of hair. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine. Sources are yeast, polishing rice, seeds, milk, meat, eggs, leafy vegetables, liver, fish, fruits, etc. Absorption: it is readily absorbed from the small intestine. Properties are: readily soluble in water, can be destroyed by light when it is in alkaline solution. It reacts with phenol reagent producing colored compound. Daily requirements: in case of adult it is 1.6 to 2 mg. For pregnant and lactating women it is 2.5 mg. For children it is 0.6 to 1.2 mg, and for infants it is 0.3 mg. Physiologic and metabolic functions: it is essential for the growth of infants. It is involved in the muscle phosphorylation. The active form pyridoxal phosphate as a coenzyme involves in the number of reactions such as amino acid decarboxylation, transamination, racemization, and elimination reaction. It is mainly concerned in the metabolism of amino acids. Chemistry of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a group of three compounds, namely pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine in the form of their phosphate. The pyridoxine is 3-hydroxy-4,5-dihydroxymethyl 2-methylpyridine. The pyridoxal in the form of phosphate is an active form, contains an aldehyde instead of hydroxymethyl at C4, and pyridoxamine in the form of phosphate is also an active form, contains a primary amide side chain at C4 of pyridine nucleus. Deficiency manifestation: A deficiency manifestation is not known in human as its easy availability in the most of the foods. Next vitamin is vitamin 7 or vitamin H, and also called as a biotin. The richest sources are egg yolk, liver, kidney, yeast, and other sources are milk, honey, tomatoes, fruits, vegetables, human milk, etc. Absorption, it is synthesized by intestinal bacteria from supplied diet. Daily requirements, in case of adult it is 15 to 60 microgram. For children it is 20 to 40 microgram. For infants it is 10 to 15 microgram. Physiological functions, biotin is involved in the carbon dioxide transfer reaction, that is in the carboxylation reaction. It is the carboxylation of acetyl coenzyme to form malonyl coenzyme for fatty acid synthesis in extra mitochondrial pathway. It is used in the conversion of propionic acid to succinic acid. Chemistry, it consists of a condensed ring system of two 5-membered heterocycles. It has two forms, alpha biotin that is obtained from egg yolk and beta biotin that is obtained from the liver. The carboxyl group of biotin combines with the terminal nitrogen of lysine residue of an enzyme protein, forming an active form of biotin, biocytin, a lysine biotin conjugate. This is the structure of biotin. Deficiency manifestation. The deficiency of biotin may result from the destruction of intestinal bacteria by drugs like sulfonamides or antibiotic. It may develop nausea, anorexia, anemia, muscular pain, dermatitis of extremities. Also, egg white injury is a deficiency of biotin which is rare and generally observed when large quantities of raw eggs are consumed. Egg white contains large amount of protein avidin which binds to biotin very tightly and prevents its absorption in the intestine. The avidin in egg white may be a defense mechanism inhibiting growth of bacteria. When eggs are cooked, avidin gets denatured along with other egg white protein. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin B9, that is folic acid. Sources, the richest sources are green leafy vegetables, and other sources include yeast, liver, kidney, meat, fish, milk, fruits, etc. Absorption of folic acid takes place from the mucosa of the small intestine. Properties are, it's a soluble in water and stable to heat at neutral pH. Daily requirement, in adult it is 400 microgram. For pregnant woman it is 800 microgram. For lactating woman it is 600 microgram. For children it is 100 to 300 microgram. For infant it is 50 microgram. Physiological functions, in living cell folic acid is reduced to dihydrofolic acid and then to tetrahydrofolic acid. The reaction is catalyzed by folic acid reductase in presence of NADH as a hydrogen donor. It is used in the treatment of anemia due to folic acid deficiency. Tetrahydrofolate coenzyme of folic acid is involved in one carbon group transfer reaction. It is involved in the biosynthesis of nucleic acid, synthesis of amino acid like methionine, serine. Is essential for growing and multiplying cells. It is required for the synthesis of RBC in bone marrow. Chemistry of the folic acid. It is compound made up of two pteridine nucleus, para-aminobenzoic acid and L-glutamic acid, and is given a chemical name pteryl glutamic acid, also known as a folic acid. This is the structure of folic acid. Deficiency manifestation. The deficiency of folic acid may lead to megaloblastic anemia. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin. It is present in the food of animal origin, liver, kidney, meat, fish, eggs, milk, cheese are the richest source of the vitamin B12. Absorption of vitamin B12. It is absorbed from the ileum and its absorption depends upon the presence of gastric juice. Properties. It is a deep red crystalline compound soluble in water. It is stable to heat in neutral solution but destroyed in acidic or alkaline solution. Daily requirements. For adult it is 3 microgram. For pregnant and lactating woman it is 4 microgram. For children it is 1 to 2 microgram and for infant it is 0.3 microgram. Physiological functions. Along with folic acid, it involved in the development of RBC. It stimulates appetite and general health of the individual. It cures neurological disorder resulting from pernicious anemia. In living cell, vitamin B12 is converted into coenzyme B12. The coenzyme B12 of the vitamin involves in the several reactions such as conversion of malonyl coenzyme A to succinyl coenzyme A, interconversion of glutamate and beta-methyl aspartate, conversion of ribonucleotide to DNA, and involved in the biosynthesis of protein. Chemistry of the cyanocobalamin, that is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 has a very complicated structure. It contains a core ring system. The nitrogen atom of the 4 substituted pyrrole rings surround the cobalt atom in the center, and this structure is linked to a ribofuranol residue to form cobamide. To this cobamide structure, when the dimethyl benzimidazole riboside nucleus is attached, cobalamine is produced. When the cobalt of cobalamine is linked to cyanide, cyanocobalamin is formed. When the cyanide group is replaced by hydroxyl group, the vitamin is known as a hydroxycobalamine. Similarly, it is converted into aquocobalamine and nitrocobalamine. This is the structure of the cyanocobalamin. Deficiency manifestation. The deficiency of vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia. Vitamin B, it is a disease in which not enough red blood cells are produced due to deficiency of vitamin B12. The most common initial symptoms is feeling tired. Other symptoms may include shortness of breath, pale skin, chest pain, numbness in the hands and feet, poor balance, a smooth red tongue, depression and confusion. Without treatment, some of these problems may become permanent. Pernicious anemia refers to anemia that results from lack of intrinsic factor. Lack of intrinsic factor is most commonly due to an autoimmune attack on the cells that create it in the stomach. It can also occur following the surgical removal of part of the stomach or from an inherited disorders. Symptoms are RBC count fall to 1.5 to 2.5 million per cubic millimeter. Size of the RBC is above normal. Increase in the serum bilirubin. Hemoglobin content falls below 8 to 9%. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. Sources are amla, citrus fruits, tomatoes, green pepper, raw cabbage, guava, cauliflower, grapes, apples, banana, milk, liver, green leafy vegetables, fresh potatoes and papayas. It is readily absorbed from the small intestine, peritoneum and subcutaneous tissue. Properties are, it is white crystalline water soluble with sour taste. It is powerful reducing agent. It is stable below pH 6.8 at room temperature. Daily requirements. For adult it is 45 mg. For pregnant woman it is 60 mg. For lactating woman it is 80 mg. For children it is 40 mg and for infants it is 35 mg. Physiological and metabolic functions. It involves in the oxidation reduction reaction of the cell since it undergoes reversible oxidation. It is involved in the conversion of folic acid to folinic acid. It is also involved in the hydroxylation of steroids in the adrenal cortex. It is required in the metabolism of tyrosine and phenylalanine and also in the tryptophan metabolism. It is required for the absorption of iron and incorporation of plasma ion in ferritin. It is involved in the formation of norepinephrine. It is required in the hydroxylation of proline and hydroxyproline. Chemistry of ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a derivative of carbohydrate. It has one asymmetric carbon atom and is therefore optically active. Ascorbic acid is a strong reducing agent. It donates 2 hydrogen to give dehydroascorbic acid. Deficiency manifestation. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. It is a vitaminosis resulting from lack of vitamin C, since without this vitamin, the synthesized collagen is too unstable to perform its functions. Scurvy leads to formation of spots on the skin, spongy gums, and bleeding from all mucous membrane. The spots are most abundant on the thigh and legs, and a person with the ailment looks pale, feels depressed, and is partially immobilized. In advanced scurvy, there are open wounds and loss of teeth, sluggish hormonal functions of adrenal cortex, swollen joints, osteoporosis. The human body can store only a certain amount of vitamin C, and so the body soon depletes it. If fresh supplies are not consumed, it can be given orally. Symptoms are weakness, easy fatigue, restlessness, pain in the bones, joints, muscles of the extremities, shortness of the breath, loosening of the teeth, poor healing of wounds, internal hemorrhage, swelling of long bones, easy fracturability of the bone, gums become swollen, anemia, susceptibility to the infection. Infantile scurvy is characterized by anorexia. Infant lies with legs drawn up on the abdomen. When touched to the legs or arms, infant cries, swelling at long bones. It is prevented by administering high dose of vitamin C. Citrus fruits are also advisable. Name of the some respective vitamins responsible for nutritional deficiency. That is, osteoporosis is because of the vitamin D. Blood clotting disorder, vitamin K. Beriberi because of vitamin B1. Night blindness is because of vitamin A. Pernicious anemia is because of vitamin B12. Scurvy, vitamin C. Rickets, vitamin D. And egg white injury is because of biotin. Next important term is coenzyme. Coenzyme are the organic molecule often derived from vitamin B complex group that participate directly in enzymatic reaction. Many enzymes catalyze the reactions only in presence of specific non-protein organic molecule called the coenzyme. Definition of coenzyme is the non-protein, low molecular weight and organic substances associated with functions of enzyme are called as a coenzyme. Vitamins are necessary for cell growth. They are needed for the action of certain enzymes. Mostly water-soluble vitamins are converted to their active form in the body. These active forms of the vitamins are coenzymes. The coenzymes are derived from vitamins. The coenzymes derived from vitamins are vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin B1, biotin, vitamin B1 that is thiamine pyrophosphate, lipoic acid is lipoic acid. For folic acid it is tetrahydrofolate. For riboflavin it is FMN or FAD. For nicotinic acid or niacin it is NAD or NADP. For pantothenic acid it is coenzyme A. For pyridoxine it is pyridoxal phosphate or pyridoxine phosphate or pyridoxamine phosphate. For biotin it is biotin. For cyanocobalamin it is deoxyadenosine cobalamin. Thank you guys for listening this video. We will finish with the vitamins, its classification, fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Thank you.